Hello everyone, welcome back to Mansi Sky, and today's video is going to be a very special video for 11th and 12th students because we are going to complete the whole straight line chapter with each and every formula, each and every concept in just 15 to 20 minutes. So you don't have to give so much of time in this video. I'm just going to take maximum 20 minutes in this video, and I guarantee you that you don't have to revise anything from this chapter after watching this video. So this is going to be a very savior for you guys if your exams are coming. Each and every formula I'm going to explain you here in detail, and then I will be also telling you that how to use that particular formula for particular question. So let's get started. But before that, I want to tell you that these are the notes made by me, like these are handmade notes. So if you want this, I will be providing the link in the description, so just download the PDF from this. Okay, so let's get started. First concept is from straight lines is locus. Yeah guys, I have made sections from this chapter, as we have exercise 5.2, then 3, 4 and 5. We have 1 to 4 exercises from this chapter. So I have segregated each and every formula according to that exercises. So everything is going to be very segregated, and you don't have to confuse anymore because everything is segregated very well. So let's get started. First concept is locus. What is locus? The definition, the proper definition for locus says that set of points in a plane will satisfy a given geometrical condition. Now forget the definition. I'm going to give you a very short definition, which is locus is nothing but set of points. Locus is what? Locus is nothing but set of points. What is meant by set of points? Set of points is group of points. Any group of points is nothing but locus. So yeah, this is a very easier definition for locus, so you don't have to confuse in locus concept anymore because this is a very simple and easiest definition. Let's move on next concept, which is important for MCQ type questions, like equation of y-axis and equation of x-axis. What is equation of y-axis? Equation of y-axis is nothing but x is equal to 0, and coordinates of y-axis are 0 comma y. Remember that the equation of y-axis is different and the coordinates of y-axis is different. So when you will be asked to write the equation of y-axis, you have to write this, and when you will be asked to write the coordinates for y-axis, you have to write this. Okay, so this is a thing for y-axis. Now let's move on x-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is nothing but y is equal to 0, and the coordinates for x-axis are x comma 0. So this is very important concept for MCQ type questions. Now the question will be asked as, if we have to find the equation of locus. If you have any type of question, like you have to find the equation of locus in that, and you have given the 2 points with their coordinates, then you have to use a formula called as distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance formula is nothing but under root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. So this is the distance formula, and by referring this, by using this formula, you have to solve the question. Then a very important concept, which is shift of origin. What is shift of origin? So see, if you have a coordinate system like this, and this is your origin, okay, and this is your origin, and what if this origin shift to here? Okay, if the origin shift to here, then the every axis, every point is going to be changed because the origin is shifting. After shift of origin, every point, every coordinate changes. So that's why there are many changes after the shift of origin. That's why we have given this concept. So let's see this concept. This is a very easier and very simple concept. So after shift of origin, old coordinates, what we write for coordinates. Okay, we assume coordinates as x comma y. Okay, but after shift of origin, the new coordinates will become capital X comma y. The new coordinates will become capital X comma y. Okay, capital X comma y will be our new coordinates. Then old origin. What is origin? Okay, we assume origin as 0 comma 0, but after the shift of origin, the coordinates of origin or origin will become what? H comma j. H comma j is going to be our new origin. Then the formula. What is formula? Formula for new coordinate. Formula for finding new coordinate is nothing but new coordinate, which is x. X, how to find x? We have to just minus the new origin from the old coordinate. So this is the formula, like capital X is equal to small x minus h, which is new coordinate is equal to old coordinate minus new origin. Okay, so these two are very important formula, and you can derive these two formula from these two. So I'm giving you a short trick. Just learn these two formulas. Okay, just learn these two formula and automatically you can derive these two from this one. Okay, let's move on. Next one. 5.2. 5.2. In 5.2, the main thing is nothing but slope. We have to find the slope of everything here. So we have to see the concept for slope. Let's see what are the formula here for 5.2. See, if we have a coordinate system like this and there is a line passing through x-axis and y-axis, the point where the line is connecting or intersecting y-axis is called as what? Y-intercept, and where the line is intersecting x-axis is nothing but x-intercept. Now what is this theta? This theta is what? Theta is nothing but angle of inclination. What is angle of inclination? The angle made by the line with positive of x-axis, angle made by the line with positive of x-axis is called as positive of x-axis is called as angle of inclination, and angle of inclination is denoted as theta. Okay, then how to find the slope? There are many formula for finding the slope. Let's learn them and let's explain them in detail. Okay, to find the slope, if we have the theta, like if we have given the angle of inclination, then the slope formula will be m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta, and a very important concept is slope is denoted by small m. Okay, so whenever you have to find any line slope of any line, then you just have to write m for it. You don't have to write the whole word slope. You can just write small m instead of slope word. Okay, so m is equal to tan theta. This is the first formula for finding the slope. Then if we have given 2 points, like if we have point A, point B with their coordinates, then we can find the slope with this formula. This formula was in 10th standard also, so this is known formula for you guys. M, that is slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so this is a important formula for finding the slope. Then there are two properties which are very important. First is for parallel lines and second is for perpendicular lines. Okay, if two lines are parallel, if we have two lines, line 1 and line 2, and we have slope of them m1 and m2, then the slope of them is equal. Okay, so see, if we have line L1 and L2, then the slope of them is equal. So this is a very important property for solving the questions. Then second property is if the lines are perpendicular. See, if we have two lines like this which are perpendicular to each other, then the slope, then the product of the slope of both lines, like if we have slope 1 and if we have slope 2 and we multiply them, then the answer will be -1. So this is very important property for question solving, so just remember them. Then if we have two lines intersecting each other, okay, if we have given two lines, line A and line B, and they are intersecting at something point C, okay, and we have given the angle theta which is made here, and we have to find this angle theta, then the formula will be tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2, that is slope of line 1 minus slope of line 2, divide by 1 plus product of slopes of both line, which is the formula is like m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is a very important formula, so just learn that. Let's move on. Next one, equation of line. What is equation of line? Equation of line is nothing but ax plus bx plus c. Ax plus bx plus c. Then equation of line parallel to x-axis. See, if we have this coordinate system and if we have a line which is parallel to x-axis, this is parallel to x-axis, then the equation of that this line will be y is equal to b. What is this b? B is nothing but the point where the line is intersecting the axis y. Okay, so the equation of line parallel to x-axis is nothing but y is equal to b. Y is equal to b, and b is what? Point of intersection at y-axis. Then equation of line parallel to y-axis. If we have a coordinate system, okay, if we have a coordinate system like this and we have a line parallel to y-axis, this point is a, and the equation for line parallel to y-axis becomes x is equal to a. X is equal to a is nothing but equation of line parallel to x-axis. Then when we have to find equation of any line, this is the general form of equation of any line. But if we have to find equation of a particular line, if we have given line A and they will ask us to find the equation of this line A, how to find that? We have many formulas for it, so let's see them. Slope point form. If we have one pair of coordinate and if we have slope of that line, then we can find the equation of that line with the help of this formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then we have second formula, which is 2-point form. If we have given 2 points, point A and point B, then we can find the equation of that line with this formula, which is y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. So these are two formula. Then we have again one or two formula here. Slope intercept form. If we have given intercept and the slope, what is intercept? Intercept is the point where the line connect x-axis or y-axis. Okay, see, these are the intercepts. Okay, so if we have given the intercept, then how to find the slope? If we have intercept and the slope, then how to find the equation of the line? Then the formula become y is equal to mx plus c. Mx plus c. Okay, what is this c is? C is nothing but the intercept. Okay, c is nothing but intercept. Then we have normal form of equation of line is x cos theta plus y sin theta is nothing but p. X cos theta plus y sin theta, x cos alpha or theta, you can say. Let me write it here. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay, this is the important formula for finding the equation of the line. Okay, then we have double intercept form. What is double intercept form? If we have two intercept, like what is intercept? I hope you understand the concept of intercept. These are two intercept, and if we have these two intercept, then we can find the equation of line with the help of this formula, which is x upon a plus y upon b, it should be b here, y upon b is equal to 1. So x upon a plus y upon b is nothing but 1. This is our double intercept form. So these are all the formulas to find the equation of the line. Then we are on the last page. Okay, and there are many formula on the last page, and these are very important, so don't skip this page, because this is going to be a very important page. Okay, so the first, there are two formula, midpoint formula and the section formula. These are not in the textbook actually, but for solving the questions these are important, so that's why I have written them here. See, then what is the midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is nothing but x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So midpoint formula is nothing but x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is midpoint formula. Then we have section formula. What is section formula? Section formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and for y we have m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So it is written here. So section formula is nothing but mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. But what is this m plus n? The question is, what is this m plus n? M plus n is nothing but, sorry, m and n is what? M and n is nothing but ratio. If we have 5:2, then m is equal to 5 and 2 is equal to n. Okay, so in this way we can find the m and n. Then we have some more formula for 5.4. The general equation for a line is ax plus by plus c. So we have to find the a, b, c here. How to find them? See, if you have given equation 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0, then a will become 2, b will become 3 and c will become 3. You are in 11th student, so I hope that you know this concept. So yeah, a is going to be the first number, then b is going to be this and c is going to be this. So in this way we can find the ABC. Then the slope, how to find the slope with these coefficient? The formula for finding the slope is minus a upon b. In this way we can find the slope. Then how to find the x-intercept? And formula for finding the x-intercept is minus c upon a. Minus c upon a. This is the important x-intercept formula. Then what is the formula for y-intercept? Y-intercept formula is minus c comma b. Minus c comma b is our y-intercept formula. Then there is one concept which is concurrent lines or point of concurrence. See, if we have lines like these, okay, and they are intersecting at this point O, like if we have this point and there are many lines passing through this point, then that lines are concurrent lines. Let me explain you in a detail. See, if we have this point P, okay, and we get lines like 1, 2 and 3 passing through this point, then the lines are what? The lines are concurrent line. The lines are concurrent line, and this point is what? This point is what? Point of concurrence. So the lines passing through a single point are called as concurrent line, and that point from which the lines are passing is what? Point of concurrence. So the definition for these two are written here. Okay, you can see the diagram also. With the help of diagram, I hope you can understand the whole thing and hold the concept here. Let me draw a square over it. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, we have this diagram also. With this help of this diagram, you can understand the lines given here are concurrent lines, and the point is nothing but point of concurrence. Okay, then if we have to find the distance of origin from a line, see, if we have given the coordinate system, we have to find this origin from this point, then the formula for finding this distance becomes modulus of c upon under root of a square plus b square. Modulus of c upon under root of a square plus b square. Why this modulus is here? Modulus is here because distance cannot be in the negative. The modulus is what is a function of modulus? If anything is in negative under the modulus, then after coming back from the modulus it becomes in positive. So this is the function of modulus. So that's why the modulus is here. The distance from the origin from a line, distance of origin from a line become modulus of c divided by under root of a square plus b square. Then distance of a point from a line. If we have to find distance of a point, see, if we have this coordinate system, if we have this point A and we have this line and we have to find the distance between them, like we have to find the distance this. So how to find this distance? So we have the formula, which is this one. Distance of a point from a line becomes ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. This is in the modulus. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the distance of a point from a line. Okay, then distance between two parallel line. How to find the distance between two parallel line? The distance between two parallel line is modulus of c1 minus c2 divided by under root of a square plus b square. So this is the formula for finding the distance between two parallel lines. Then for finding any equation of line, like if we have to find the equation of this line, we can assume it, like we can assume it as suppose the equation of this line A is m plus kn. So the concept is you can suppose that equation of line as m plus kn or u plus kv. Okay, so in this way we have completed each and every formula and each and every concept from chapter 5th, which is straight lines. So hope your concepts are clear, and if you loved the video, subscribe to the channel because many videos like this, many interesting videos are coming for you. Thanks for watching.